Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so in this video, I'm doing the zodiac sign like makeup look. I've been watching like a lot of videos and honestly, I don't remember like which one I watched first, but I did watch a whole bunch and I figured why not jump on the trend and do my own zodiac makeup look. So first of all, kudos, props to whoever started it. Fun, great, wonderful, ideal. Now, this video is my take, my version of the zodiac sign makeup look. So let's get started. Obviously, I have no makeup on right now, and normally when I start my video, I show you guys at the start of the video like what my makeup is going to look like, but I figured why not switch things up a little bit. So we're starting with zero, nada, zilch, goose egg makeup, and let's just see where this takes us. Alright, so let's first start with some primer. I'm starting with the Laura Mercier Pure Canvas Primer, and for the zodiac look, can you guys guess what my zodiac sign is? I mean, if you read the title, you probably know already, but if you didn't read the title, just by looking at this right now, look around you, there's a really big, obvious hint. Just keep looking. So, or maybe I won't even put it in the title and make you guys keep guessing. I don't know. Anyway, so I'm taking my Laura Mercier Pure Canvas Primer, and for this zodiac look, you guys, I'm just gonna do the zodiac look just for my eyes and my lips. Maybe like a couple of stuff on my face, but really I wanted to focus on like the eyes and lips only. Okay, now I'm going in with the Laura Mercier Tinted Moisturizer, and this is the SPF 20 sunscreen. And you guys, if you're, curious about these products, both the Laura Mercier products, I did do videos on them. Which brush should I use? Alright, so I'm using the Morphe M439 brush. Alright, so I did do some videos on them and talked about them. Basically, I did a review. If you want to see or check them out, go ahead and do so. Of course, after you're done watching this video. Blend that all out. So the camera kind of cut off and I was doing my, the concealer. The concealer I used for my face, I used the Bare Minerals Bare Skin Concealer. And then I just kind of blended it out with the Blendiful by Tati Beauty. Right now I am filling in my brows very quickly, or as quick as I can. And then whenever I feel like my brows are looking a little bit too harsh, I like to go back in with my spoolie and just kind of lightly brush it out. Like that. Then my hair's a mess. Alright, so then I go in with my, not always, but most of the time, my Anastasia brow dip brow gel. This stuff is really nice, especially if you have like long brow hair like I do. Do you guys see that? Look how long my brow hair is. And I know some people like trim them, but honestly, I do not want to trim my brow hairs because I think it looks nice. So I do like to brush them up like that. And it's like a gel for your brows, I guess. Yeah, brow gel. Duh. Okay, so my brows are done. Before I continue, I'm going to put a little bit of moisturizer, and this one is by Laneige. It's their Berry Fruit Rouge moisturizer. Moisturize them lips. I typed up in Google Zodiac Makeup Chart, and it has like a whole bunch of like, different Zodiac makeup chart you can look at. And I'm trying to think which one should I pick. I don't know how the other how everyone else that did a similar video like this, how they decided which one to go with. But I mean, I guess first of all, I have to pick one that I actually have the color shadows to, so that would make sense, right? Let me just quickly go through these and see what they got. By the way, have you guys figured out what my zodiac sign is? Let me know down below in the comments. Alright, so I looked through all the different zodiac charts for the eye look, and I chose this one, which I will post somewhere on the screen what it looks like. I picked this one because, well, number one, my birthday is in February, so that means my birthstone is amethyst, and amethyst, if you didn't know already, it is a purple color stone. So I just figured this one made the most sense to me. I'm gonna do a makeup look that is, it might not be exactly like what I'm looking at, because looking at my phone, it looks like it has a tiny bit of glitter. I might add a little bit more glitter to it, I'm not too sure, but you know, I'm taking inspirations from this makeup look right here, and which is on the screen, and I'm going to create this Aquarius amethyst vibe because it's purple, February type of look. So let's do our eye makeup. Alright, so first I'm going in with a nice light shade of purple, right? I'm using a brush that looks like this. And the color I'm using is Mashup. That's the color in the Tarteist Pro palette right there. And then do the same thing for the other eye, like that. And you guys, it's not like I'm trying to be like super perfect about this. It's just a fun video, trying something different out, so, you know. You guys should definitely do a look. Tell me down below what your zodiac sign is. I'm really curious. Let me know. And if you do, you know, make a similar zodiac sign makeup look, tag me on Instagram and I will take a look and check it out and like it and all that good stuff. If you're not following me on Instagram or any other social media platform, you can scroll down in the description box and I do provide links for you guys. That way it's like much easier. Or just, you know, type in @quakamole21 and it will take you there. Alright, so that is the purple on my eyelid. And I think purple is such a, of course, it's my own opinion, but I do really think purple is such a flattering universal color. I think it looks really pretty on everyone. So, alright, so we got the purple. And then it had like the dark outer corner. So, before I go into the dark outer corner, I want to, you know what? Let's do that first actually. Dark outer corner. Let's try this right here. This one, the purple, they call it No Shame. Alright, so yes, I have No Shame. We are going to take a different brush. The brush I'm using is this, which is by Ebates, accent on the E, basics. It's just a, you know, brush that looks like that. Okay, so take that and diving into my Smashbox No Shame color. Alright, so I'm going to, how do I want to do this? Start on the outer corner. Ooh, that is a nice, pretty color, you guys. Very nice. Start on that outer corner. You guys see that? It's not like too dark, but we're like working our way up there. That looks really nice. So what I did was I just placed it on my outer corner and then kind of blended it into my eye socket like so, and right there is the result. Doing the same thing on my other eye, focusing it on the outer corner and then blending it out. Alright, I can't believe we are already in the month of May. That is really crazy. And I'm not really sure when exactly I'm going to post this, because normally I record my videos, like I pre-record them for YouTube. So, you know, I might end up posting this a week later. Who knows? But as of today, Mother's Day is coming up. And, Mother's Day during a quarantine. How sad. Alright? I'm not a mother, but, you know, I do have a mom. Well, I guess technically I am a mom. I'm a dog mom, so that counts, right? So, does it count? I don't know. Alright, so I think it counts. So the purple is on. I want to go back in and now darken up that outer corner purple a little bit more. I took out a different palette, you guys. This is the Morphe X James Charles palette. And it has a really nice dark purple in here. Let me show you. So that color right there, that is such a perfect color. So James calls that color Escape or Escape. Let me know if you know what movie that's from. But take that Escape color and again, just place it just on the outer corner. Same thing, just on the outer corner. Okay, so now I'm taking the Urban Decay Moon Dust palette and picking up that magnetic color and then just place that and blend it in with the other colors. Just like that. And I'm just focusing it just on the center of my lid. I'm patting it and then kind of blending it out. This is such a pretty color. Alright. I'm so glad I dived into different colors lately. Look how nice that looks. Alright, so the eye makeup look is coming together really nicely, you guys. I am really happy. I am going to do my eyeliner. Let me take a look. So the eyeliner is a, flicked up, a cat eye, fox eye, whatever you want to call it, alright? Basically, the eyeliner is pretty thick on the end, and then it thins out towards the center, and it flicks up, right? And then she has lashes on. I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then come right back, and we'll do the glitter on the inner corner. Okay, so I went ahead and added on my lashes, and as you guys can tell, my eyeliner is flicked out, and I did place the lashes in a way where it kind of like flicks off that eye like that. So, and if you don't like that look, don't do it. But that is what the picture on the Google image showed me. Alright, so now for the glitter, I am using the Urban Decay Disco Daydream. This is their heavy metal glitter liner. If you guys haven't tried this glitter, amazing. Amazing, amazing, amazing. You guys, this is, it's just beautiful. Alright, so this is the glitter I chose, and they put the glitter on the inner corner. So just dab, dab, dab. Okay, that looks pretty good to me, you guys. I am going to now take a purple color and kind of add it on the lower lash line. I'm going to take a brush. Let's see, what do I want to use? I'm going to go back in to the Smashbox palette and take this brush right here. Okay. And that same purple color, I'm going to place that right there. Right there. All right. Okay, so the eye look is done, you guys. This is the Zodiac Aquarius eye look. I think it turned out pretty nice. I mean, I like it a lot. This definitely calls for more YouTube videos to be recorded and a couple of TikTok videos, take a bunch of Instagram videos, Instagram pictures, because so far I am loving this makeup look. Alright, so let's dive into the lips, you guys. Okay, I have my lipstick on, and just that one lipstick. Make sure nothing's in my teeth. Alright, so I have that lipstick on, and it kind of looks, it looks like it's clashing, but you know what? I'm going to try to fix it up a little bit. I am going to keep that main color because this is that main color Zodiac Aquarius lip color we got going on. But I'm going to use this Kat Von D little lip product. This is in the shade Lolita. Alright, so that shade right there. And I'm going to try to fix it up a little bit, make it a little bit more, I guess, wearable. So I'm going to take this and kind of shade in the outer corners. And you guys, I completely suck at, I guess this is called contouring your lips or something. But I suck at it, and so I'm just practicing or just having fun. Okay, here we go. So here we go. Little dabs. I'm not sure if that did anything, but I mean it did a little bit of something, all right, on the outer corner. All right, so now I want to kind of put a little bit of highlight on my lips. And lately, you guys, I've been using the Dominique Cosmetics. This is the Golden Dew shade. Let me show you what it looks like. So that color right there. And when you put it on, it's you know, when you put it on, it's kind of sheer and it's buildable. So it depends on like how much buildable you want it to be, right? Makes sense. But using my finger, you guys see that? So I'm tapping it like just on the center of my lips. Alright, so that doesn't look too bad, you guys. I'm not mad about it. It looks pretty good. Okay. But I still do think the eye makeup and the lip makeup, they do clash. And, yeah, they look, yeah, definitely clashing. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the rest of my face and then come right back for the outro. Alright, so this here is my final look, you guys. I think it turned out pretty nice. I like the eye look, definitely. Something I'll wear out. The lips I do like, but not the lip and the eyes together. You get what I'm saying? So I do like this look, but not together. I am actually, you know, happy how it turned out. I did try to make my hair look presentable, but, you know, this is the best I can do. So, but we're not even talking about the hair in this video. We're talking about my face, the makeup, the Zodiac makeup. So if you haven't figured it out yet, did I mention it in the video? I can't remember, whatever. But if I haven't mentioned it, I am an Aquarius and this is the makeup look I came up with. So if you enjoyed watching this video and you liked it, go ahead and click that like button down below. Give it a thumbs up, you guys. That does mean so much to me and it helps me out. Go ahead and comment down below what your zodiac sign is and any other makeup look you want me to try out. If you're not following me on my Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter, go ahead and do so. You can type in @Quakamole21 or there are links provided for you guys down below in the description box. If you're not already part of the Kwak fam, go ahead and click subscribe, join the Kwak fam, and of course, click on that notification bell. That way, when I upload or post a video, you're notified and you won't miss out. So, alright, so yeah, this is the look, you guys. I hope you guys liked the video, and of course, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, a wonderful night, wherever you are. I will talk to you next time. Bye, guys.
I finally know the reason why, yeah. I'm never really satisfied, yeah. Waking up a paradise, yeah. Without you by my side. Imagine I walk through your doorway. Imagine skipping all the foreplay. Imagine all the stars in one place.